Hello and assalamualaikum guys, my name is Muhammad Ali and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to be learning about the for loop. Well, basically for loop is a counter. In for loop you have to know how many times you want to repeat a specific code. So let's get started. Let us know this basic syntax and stuff like that. So here we have our for loop. Starting with for and then declaring a variable I. It's up to you to declare it as I or like I love or I love banana. It's up to you, banana. Okay, so it's up to you the way you want to declare it. I have declared it as I because it is conventional, and that's all. Okay, int I is equal to 0. So initial value of my loop or my counter is 0. Okay, so I'm starting from 0. I'm saying that currently my I value is 0 until my I value is less than 10. Keep on increasing I by 1. Okay, you can say I plus plus or you can say I plus equals 1. It's up to you. Okay, so basically people use I plus plus because it's easier. Once you run this code, it's gonna do what? It's gonna come in here, see the initial once, only once. It comes in here only once. Okay, at the start of the point it comes in here and says int I is equal to 0, so I am starting from 0. Then sees the condition, is I less than 10? Yes, because it's 0 now, it is less than or is equal to 10, so it is less than 10. Now it executes the code. Console.writeline I means it's gonna print 0. Okay, then it's gonna come in here, and this is the increment control. It's gonna increase it by 1, then come in here, and it's gonna look at it is 1 because it has incremented by 1 means this is now the value of I is now what? It's 1. So is 1 less than 10? Yes, it is. Then it's gonna print is then come back in here and see, is 2 less than 10? Yes. Is 3 less than 10? Yes, print it. Is 4 less than 10? Print it. Is 5 less than 10? Print it, and so on. So let's execute this. As you can see, first it printed 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, and so on. Okay, so let's create another simple program for this. We are going to say okay, so let's run this. Which table? Table 25 until 5. So it's gonna say 5 times 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, if you don't want 0, you can always start from 1. And table of, let's say, 102 until 60. It's gonna give you a table of 102 until 60. Okay, so what is happening? Basically, I'm asking for the table of which table, and I'm saying that the table you are asking, for example, it's table of 5, so it's 5, you need that value in here, table of 5 times, so I need 5 in here. So I'm asking for which table and putting it in here, and I'm again asking until, so until like 10, so this value will be until 10, so it should be when it is 10, it's gonna stop executing this statement because it knows that I have to use the for loop, or I have to repeat this code how many times? 10 times, because the value of until is 10. So console dot write line, the first is table of like 2 I means times, like 2 times 1, 2 times 2, because this is I is the one who is which is repeating and which is incrementing itself. Okay, the number 3 is 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3. So this goes in here. Okay, so that's it. I hope you like this tutorial and make sure to like because it helps me understand which videos are getting better. Okay guys, thank you and bye bye. See you later.